Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert USDC to USDT on MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're here is you will click this button right here which says login, and of course log in with your right credentials so that you will be able to do this. So once you've logged in, you should see the trades section right here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen or your website. So you just gotta explore so that you will be able to actually see that. And after you click trade, you will just have to click convert or swap, and then you will select the USDC as the currency that you have, and then select USDT as the currency that you want. And then you will enter the amount and check the conversion rate and fees, and then you will just have to click preview and review the details. And then you will just have to confirm, and your USDC will be converted to USDT instantly. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.